honeys, it's Yolz and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do something totally different to my norm. I'm gonna get my makeup done by the beautiful Vongai Mapho. If you don't know who she is, where you living? She's a South African YouTuber and a makeup artist, and she's absolutely talented and amazing. She's beautiful inside and out. Yo, I can't even, the reason I'm talking so much about her is because I'm so inspired by her and her work ethic. She's actually somebody who's inspired me to post more often, more frequently here on my channel. And like I say, I actually really respect her work ethic. I've actually shouted her out on my Insta stories before, and I really love her vibe. So I'm all about supporting South African YouTubers. I'm all about supporting entrepreneurs. So yeah, let's go and actually do my face. Before we do that, I actually wanted to do a shout out to somebody special as well. In the spirit of Daily Dose of Yolz, I know you all loved it. I'm so glad that you loved it. I love the fact that you guys loved Daily Dose of Yolz, and I know 7 days seems too short, but for me it was like so long. It felt like forever, but I'm so glad that you guys absolutely loved the series. I know some of you are like, do it for a whole month. I'm like, oh, I don't know, but we might just bring it back next year. How's about we do it the whole year, like Feb to November kind of vibes, or Feb to December. And now I'm kind of tempted to do vlogmas as well. Anyway, I'm going on a total tangent. What I wanted to say is a massive shout out to Butlengindi, who is a subscriber here. She's been watching my videos without subscribing, and this is her comments, and I'm going to put it up on the screen. Also noticed I wasn't subscribed. Shame on me. Fatting and sitting on your channel, sis. LMAO. Butlengindi, I love you. So shout out to you. You definitely made my week. In fact, you made the rest of 2018 even better. So yeah, I just wanted to do a little shout out to you guys. I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. Totally different, I know, but yeah, let's have fun and let's support each other as SA YouTubers. Give this video a massive thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Comment down below and let me know what you think of Vongai's work, and of course don't forget to subscribe to both our channels, myself and Vongai. Ooh, we are so close to 20k. Oh my god, road to 20k has begun. So let's get to 20k and celebrate. Of course, you know what that means. We're gonna have giveaways upon giveaways upon giveaways. Whoop whoop. I'm so excited, you guys. And yeah, let's get 20k, let's get 25k. Why not get to 30k? Like, let's just do it, okay? Don't fat and sit on my channel. Ubuhle has said it in the spirit of her saying it. Don't fat and sit, just subscribe. It's free. Love you guys so much. Enjoy. Mwah.
Hey there. It's Yolz channel.
I'm at Cleachy Nails today, and guess who's gonna be doing my face beat? You can see I look like I just woke up. But Vongai is about to transform me. She's about to transform this face, and I'm gonna be vlogging the whole experience. Yes! Look who's here! Look who's doing my face. Facebeat by Vongai. I'm so sorry. I'm getting excited. Wow. Guys, did you see that? Like, wow. Vongai is done! Whoop whoop! Let me know what you guys think of this face. So I just got home and look at this face beat, you guys. Vongai did the things that needed to be done. I'm loving this face. And guess what? I've got absolutely nowhere to go. I just felt like actually seeing her work and putting her work out there. If you're living in Joburg and you want a real face beat, then visit Vongai in Mawaneng, opposite Pata Pata restaurant. Guys, this girl is talented. Look at this face. Give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below and let me know what you think of this face. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much. Mwah.